Hey friend, Henry Flowers here. Are you like my mama? My mama used to always tell me, I can't stand a liar. Most of us don't like lies. Why? Because she used to say, if you lie, you'll cheat. And if you cheat, you'll steal. And if you steal, you'll kill. Lies, we hate them. Hey, listen, here's a lie that's going on. A lie is that pro-lifers want to protect life in the womb, but afterwards, after the child is born, we don't want to help. Let me tell you something. That is so far from the truth, and I'm going to give you real evidence today. I'm here, Pregnancy Center West. This is a center where young people come in who are in the pregnancy situation. They got a whole lot of fear going on. That fear can be alleviated by just them understanding how much help is available. I mean, there is real help after they choose life here at the pregnancy help centers. So here I am in one of the rooms where they have all the supplies. I mean, look at all of these supplies. Here's a rack of clothing that can be theirs for the taking with just a couple of parenting classes. I mean, look at all these things that are available for free. Watch a couple of videos, watch a couple of parenting classes. You earn dollars to purchase these things. And then look over here. Look at all of these diapers. I mean, what would a young mom feel and how her situation change if she knew that not only is there help, but there's help like she can get diapers. Look at all of this stuff. And this is one of the smaller rooms here. Look at all of this stuff on the shelf here. These are diapers waiting to go for a young mom who needs help. And all of these things, Similac and formula and all of these things, baby food, strollers, all of these things are here donated by people who care about life issues. So there is the lie that says they don't want to help afterwards, and I'm giving you evidence here at Pregnancy Help Center West that, hey, listen, not only are we in the business of protecting life in the womb, which should be done and we will always do it, but also we are in the business of helping young people to become great people. Because yes, we, just like you, we hate the lie. And here's the truth. The truth is that pro-lifers care about life in the womb. And we care about helping young mothers to become great mothers. We care about helping young men to become great men. And we are the guardian of those who cannot guard themselves. So continue. Hey, listen, contact me. Continue to fight the good fight of faith. Let's do it together. Contact me if you want to talk about the possibility of volunteering as a male to be here at these pregnancy centers when young men come in. If you know people who need help, let them know there's help at the pregnancy centers for them to choose life. And that way, everybody wins.